Mold in the bathroom can be a real problem. Whether it's on your shower walls, grout, or ceiling, it's not only unsightly, but can be a health hazard. But what if I told you that you can remove mold completely without using any harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners? Stick around for 5 simple natural ways to get rid of bathroom mold safely and effectively. If you're tired of battling bathroom mold and want a solution that's safe for you, your family, and the planet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove mold using simple, natural ingredients you probably already have at home. No bleach, no toxic chemicals, just safe, effective cleaning. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your trusty bottle of white vinegar. Vinegar's acidity is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to mold. All you need to do is pour some into a spray bottle and spray it directly onto the moldy areas. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Don't wipe it away just yet. Vinegar works because it disrupts the mold's structure and prevents it from growing. And don't worry about the smell. It'll disappear once the vinegar dries. Step 2. Baking soda to scrub away stubborn mold. Once the vinegar has done its job, sprinkle a bit of baking soda on top of the moldy spots. You'll notice it fizzing. That's the vinegar and baking soda working together to break down the mold. Use a sponge or brush to gently scrub the area. The baking soda is mildly abrasive, so it lifts the mold without damaging your tiles or grout. Step 3. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal, which means it kills mold. After cleaning with vinegar and baking soda, mix 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake it up, then spray it directly on the affected areas. Let it sit for about an hour. Tea tree oil is a bit stronger, so it helps ensure that mold stays away for good. Plus, it has a lovely fresh scent, way better than bleach, right? Step 4. Dry everything thoroughly. Mold loves moisture, so the key to keeping it from coming back is drying your bathroom completely after you've cleaned. Use a towel or microfiber cloth to wipe down your surfaces, or you can use a fan to speed up the drying process. Make sure to dry off the walls, tiles, and grout thoroughly. The less moisture, the less chance mold has to grow back. Step 5, the most important step, keep it dry and ventilated. Make sure your bathroom has good airflow to prevent mold from making a return. You can use an exhaust fan while you shower or leave a window open. If you don't have a fan, consider installing one or just leave the door open to help reduce humidity. And just like that, your bathroom is mold-free using nothing but natural ingredients. Plus, they won't leave behind any toxic fumes or residues, just a clean, fresh bathroom. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who need some mold-busting tips, and subscribe for more natural cleaning hacks. Have your own favorite natural way to fight mold? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear it. Stay fresh, stay mold-free, and I'll see you in the next video.